8-in-1 Professional Manicure Set Women. Familife Manicure Set Professional is designed for hands care, foot care, face care for women. No need to pay for single tool, money can be saved. Familife Pedicure Kit concludes manicure tools nail set, 1x Fingernail Clipper, 1x Toenail Clipper, 1x Cuticle Nipper, 1x Obtuse Push Broach, 1x Nail File, 1x Tweezers, 1x V-shaped push stick, 1x Blackhead Remover. With this 8-in-1 grooming kit women, you can have your nails done and beauty face anywhere. Manicure Set High-quality stainless steel. Our fingernail clip set is made of premium quality stainless steel, hard, durable, and rustless. Each tool of nail manicure kit has been polished and hardening. The zipper of nail kits is smooth and strong, they provide long life in daily use. The product conforms to the design of human body science, the size is suitable, the touch is very comfortable, and the sharp nail scissors can easily trim thick nails and prevent the nails from cracking. Fashionable, careful, comfortable design. The package of Familife hand, foot nail tools are made of pink PU leather, beautiful and durable. In order to have a more perfect feeling of use, each tool of nail kit set has a fixed slot to keep the tools in order. A piece of cloth is in the middle. The tools will not rub against each other when the packaging is closed. The nice design can protect the tools perfectly. Portable, travel-friendly nail set. Our nail care kit and pedicure tools, corta uñas, are designed in portable size and comes with a pink travel case. You can out in your handbag, car, or luggage, convenient to carry. You can get your nail spa treatment and facial anywhere you like. The size of this manicure and pedicure set is 0.8*4*6 inches. Ideal gifts for her. Give a unique gift to surprise your mother, grandmom and girlfriend. The pedicure set comes with a magnificent gift box package, looks very delicate. The nail care kit for women makes it an elegant nail accessories for your nail care regimen and luxury gifts for mom, Thanksgiving gifts, Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, gifts for girlfriend, and teen girl gifts. It's the best gift for Mother's Day, birthday, Valentine's Day and marriage. Top reviews from the United States. It may not be the smallest manicure set, but it is gorgeous. If you're looking for a small, basic manicure set for travel, I'd recommend one Revlon sells that has just the scissors, tweezer and nail clipper. But for home use, this toolkit is a joy to look at, open and use. It is a beautiful faux leather with soft lining.